I am using cotton jersey and also cotton jersey for my applique, and I am using fusible interfacing and double-sided iron-on interfacing, and of course the picture. I have cut away any excess paper around my picture, and I do it in the same way with the interfacing and the fabric I'm going to use for my applique. The striped fabric is going to be the base, so that fabric needs fusible interfacing on the wrong side. The dark fabric is going to be my applique, so I'm going to So I start by planning out where I want my applique, and I mark with some needles on the base fabric. And on the wrong side, I fuse my interfacing to stabilize the fabric. It's too stretchy to sew on otherwise. I always protect my iron with some pattern paper in between. Read on your fusible interfacing how long you should press it. On the wrong side of my fabric, which is going to be the applique, I am pressing the double-sided iron on. And you should read on that also, so you know how to press it. On the right side of that fabric, I'm going to trace my picture. So I pin it where I want it. In between I lay carbon paper. I lay the colored piece down towards the right sides, and then I trace around with a pen. I press quite hard so the red color will transfer to the fabric. Now you can cut your picture. On the double-sided iron-on there are paper which you can trim away, and now you have only a kind of glue which makes it so that you can iron on your picture. It will hold only until you have sewn around all the edges. So I'm going to use this presser foot, which makes room for a zigzag, which is quite close together. You can see how I have set my machine. When you come to a corner, you need to stay with the needle down in the fabric so you can turn. And once you have sewn all the way around, your applique is finished.